but we saw potential beneath the decay. This wasn't just a rust bucket, it was a survivor. And with the right care, attention, and a whole lot of elbow grease, we brought it back from the brink. Every bolt, every panel, every detail, stripped, repaired, restored. This wasn't just a job, it was a full-on rescue mission.